Hi there. I wanted to post a quick video announcement about activity 1411 in my Spanish lab. Several of you have already completed it, at least one attempt, and I'm actually going to be removing it from the assignments for this week. And I just wanted to give a quick explanation of why, because that's not something that I normally do. Normally I would just post an explanation of, here's what people are missing. But with this one, there is an error in the answer key where it's giving two different options for how to construct that first response. And then in order to actually get it right, because of the way they have it entered in, you'd have to type in both of those full sentence long responses, plus adding in the other one where you attack the object pronouns onto the end. So between that and the fact that, this is, don't get me wrong, this isn't something that you'll never ever hear or use, but it's certainly not something that you're going to hear and use a lot. So if this were, say, practicing with the present subjunctive or the preterite or something like that, it would be worth making sure that I could get it corrected and get you that practice with it. But with nosotros commands, I don't think that the value is there to counteract the frustration of how complex this particular assignment is. So I wanted to give that quick explanation. I will be removing it from the assignment list for the week. And again, this is exercise, SAM exercise 1411 in my Spanish lab. And if you do feel like you're confused about those nosotros commands and that you want to check your understanding and make sure that you have a better grasp of them, let me know and I can find some alternative way to do that. But again, I don't feel like this is something that you're going to be using on a fairly regular basis where it's worth that hassle at this point. So hopefully that makes sense for everybody, and have a great week. Hopefully the rest of the assignments this week are significantly less frustrating than that one was, and I'll see you all soon.